To Veeology, Veeology, Veeology. Hi guys, welcome back to Veeology. Well, I told you I was going to be bringing you into another video, and today this video is my breakfast room for the theme of restoration hardware. So stay tuned. So of course, guys, you know I have been so much into this restoration hardware theme, and on last year for the fall, bring it in, I gave you a whole overview of my downstairs and how I did it with a lot of restoration hardware dupes. Yes, from Home Goods, from TJ Maxx, from Target, from Burlington, from the at-home store, you name it, girlfriend did it. So guys, what I'm gonna bring to you today is my restoration hardware theme in our breakfast room. So let's go. I used the restoration hardware theme, and just like I did my dining room, I will be breaking it down where the things came from, because someone asked me to do a tablescape that is on $1 budget. So guys, I think this is the perfect table for me to do it with. So I am gonna start off with my glasses. These glasses are from the Dollar Tree. So that was $4 because I did pick up 4 of them. So I do like them. They are the darker black here, and it goes up to like the grayish color. So they're like tri-tone in a way. So this is one of the items that we're doing a tablescape on a budget. So the next item is this blight plate, and as you know, it is a Dollar Tree plate, and I did pick up 4 of them, so that is another $4. So can you already say $8? And guys, these napkins, you wouldn't believe where they came from. These napkins were, I think they were $4 or $5. No, they were $2.50 for 2. And I picked them up from Walmart. So you go in your Walmart section and you go where the table runners and the placemats are. They are somewhere there. They are white. They're pretty good cotton quality. They're pretty good. They're somewhat thin, but just to go on the table for decor, absolutely good. So I did pick up 2 packs of those. So that's $5. So how much are we already at? So that's 5, 8. So we're at $13, guys. We were at $13. So I'm not sure if I should add this in there because it was not a Dollar Tree find, and that is my chargers. These chargers, as I told you on my dining room, I did get these from the Christmas tree shop. You can get some of the chargers at Dollar Tree and do the same type of design and do it on a friendly budget. But this one was $5.99. And as I told you, I bought a dozen of them, which is 12. I have them on my dining room table, and I have some here on my breakfast room table. And yeah, I still have 4 extra ones that goes on my bar. So guys, you can do this on a budget by also getting your charger from the Dollar Tree. They have so many different ones at the Dollar Tree, and this one will be coming off my table for the spring. And I will be doing on this table, I am definitely going to do a complete Dollar Tree tablescape. Now here, my napkin rings. This napkin rings, and I can still say on a dollar budget. These napkin rings, I did purchase them from Hobby Lobby, and they were 95% off. So I waited at the last minute. I got 2 when they were 90% off. So I did like what they looked like. So I went back, and they were 95% off, and they had 3. So I bought the 3. So in the beginning, they were $7.99 a piece. So take 95% off of that. Coins. So now I'm gonna slide this off here. This is one of my napkins that I have on my table. And this napkin came from a pet thrift store. And this napkin I have 4 of them. I think I have a total of 6. And I paid for all 6 $2.09. So we still at a complete budget. This tablescape, I do believe, will be under the amount of $20. I do believe we can do this for $20. Minus the chargers, because you can use the chargers at Dollar Tree. If I do remember, I will insert some chargers that I have, and I might even in this video, if it's not too long, I will give you a sneak peek of where I actually keep some of my decor. Or should I think that would be another video. That would be another video of where I keep a lot of, because you know I love tablescapes, so you know I have lots of pieces. So that'll be another video. So let's go on to the next item. So the next item are these. I was in a thrift store cannot remember the name of this little town. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen. But I paid 50 cents a piece for these balls, and I do have 6 of these. So that was a very, very good find. So always shop at your thrift stores, Goodwill, whatever, because I did price these balls at Hobby Lobby. Of course, you can use your 40% off coupon, but at Hobby Lobby, I still pay cheaper for this because in the bag at Hobby Lobby, it's only 4 that comes in the bag, and they are $9. Well, really $10 because they're $9.99. You can use the 40% off coupon and still get them around $6 and change. Well, I still did a better deal because I got all of mine for $2.50, okay? The next thing is my little birdie, and from all the glare, hopefully you can see her. She is so absolutely darling. I do have 2 of these. I have the other one that is on my table in my living room. But I had no clue that Restoration Hardware had these little birds within their decor. I just thought, I was like, that is just so different. So I did pick up 2 of these little birds. They was $1 a piece, and they were the perfect color already. So I did pick up 2 of these little birdies, and they have been with me ever since. So once again, shop your thrift stores. This is one of the items that I did pick up from Saluda, South Carolina. That is where I pick up these balls, the birds, and this. Well, this wooden tray, I did pick it up from Saluda Shores. I was looking to see if the price tag was off. I forgot they do take the price tags off their items. This was, if I'm not mistaken, it was $5. So still we're under budget of doing a cheap tablescape. So this was $5 and the balls were $2.50 and the little bird, and I set my little bird in between here. That is absolutely so cute. It's just so simple, and I think because it's so simple and Restoration Hardware with them, there are things that is simple. That is the biggest thing with Restoration Hardware. If it's simple, it's Restoration Hardware. This is not part of it, guys, but you know, if I ever do a tablescape, I have wine on my table. So this is Stella Rose Black, and I have every one of Stella Rose items where they're wines. I have every last one of them. So if you can see that wine, I have every last bottle, even the platinums. When they come out, I get a notification from Stella Rose website, from their manufacturer, that is something new's coming out. And you better believe, when the blueberry came out, I got it the next day. They have another one that's a platinum. I got it the next day. So in here, I have every last one of them. Now what I'm getting ready to start collecting in the Stella Rose is the non-alcoholic. So this bottle was $10. So I would not add this into the tablescape. This is just something that I always add in my tablescapes. So now this is my wine holder, and you see it was gold and red and burgundy. Well, I sprayed it matte black, and if you can see, you can still see a little gold in it, and I did that because it's giving a different little touch to it. So I did pick this up from Goodwill, and it was $1.99, guys, and it happened to be on a green day, and it had a green tag. So I got it for $1. Yes. So you can do a tablescape, guys, just pennies on $1. So guys, the other item is what I showed you on my dining room table on yesterday, and it is the mats. Those are table mats, and I made it as a runner because I wanted to give that same look that was here, similar from there. So I did it that way. So those table runners were $5.99 with 90% off. So therefore, still pennies on $1, guys. So my whole complete tablescape, trying to put this back. So this complete tablescape cost, without the charger and the wine, you're looking at a tablescape for $23. How cheap can you get? $23. That is 2 sets of napkins, napkin rings, plate, not the charger. Make sure you get a charger from the Dollar Tree, okay? Because my chargers were $6 a piece. That is also this wooden bowl and the decor that's inside of it, and also my wine holder, not the wine, because of course I told you the wine, Stella Rose, are $10 a bottle. So guys, this is my tablescape under $25. So if you want to see another tablescape, which I am going to do one for the spring, you know what to do. Just keep tuning on because it's coming. So guys, you know what I'm finna do. I'm finna wrap it up. So guys, you know what I'm getting ready to tell you. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video, and make sure you do share it out because the spring is coming. And I will be doing a lot of things for spring. And also remember, guys, I am doing a 1-room 6-week challenge. So if you have not seen part of that challenge, Just put in officially Veeology 6-week room challenge, or I just add it right here on icon for you. So after this, just click it and it'll take you to that. And it is hosted by Wani at Wani's house. So guys, I am just super excited for that because what is the theme? Restoration hardware. It is restoration hardware, guys, and my guys are loving it. They are just loving their bedroom. So guys, you know, I can talk forever. You know, I can talk forever. So therefore, I'm getting ready to end this video. So you know what I would say at the end, please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. And if you're new here at the VeeHive, hello, I am Vandessa and welcome. And if you are oldie but yet a goodie, hello, how are you? And welcome back. So guys, you know what I'm definitely getting ready to say now. I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.